Hello, Bear Nation. Principal Wilson here with this week's update. Yes, you can see I got the G on going. The Georgia Labor Day is here and college football has arrived. It is a great day the Lord has given us. That is awesome. I tell you, we had a wonderful 4 weeks now. The first grading window is open. Please go onto your parent portal and check out those grades. Stay engaged with your students with their grades and their assignments. Get those assignments turned in. We've had a great opening of Cherokee Bluff Middle School the last 4 weeks. We're excited about what is to come. We have a lot of things going on. I wanted to share one of the things that we've implemented just this last 2 weeks. We're calling it Motivational Monday. Each grade level has its own lunch, so we're able to kind of talk to them as sixth graders, seventh graders, and eighth graders. We're sharing a little motivational speech, about 2 minutes long, from various popular folks, and then we talk to them about what that video is talking about. The last couple have been about looking at yourself. You have value, you have purpose. Let's think about the choices that you're making in order to reach those dreams that you have for yourself. Staying connected with them, and also preaching to the students about being kind to one another, and that we're all one family and we're here together. It's a grind for students. We recognize that, and one of the other things that we put in place is Game Friday, every other Friday at lunch. We did Hot Seat last Friday. This coming Friday, we're going to do Family Feud with them. The students get to engage, get to kind of de-stress a little bit and have some fun. So we want to celebrate our students while maintaining those relationships and that academic rigor. And I think we're well on our way, and that's much to do with you and the support that you've shown us. It's a great place. We appreciate your support. Please go on, check the newsletter out. Go on, check your students' course syllabuses and those grades. This is the first 4.5 weeks. Again, we want to stay on top of that. We want our students to stay on top of that. Y'all have a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Go Bears, go Dogs. Have a great weekend.